In today's video, we're looking at how to make money with YouTube Shorts, and it's that simple. If you can copy and paste, then you can earn money with what we're going to be looking at today. Now, I'm going to share with you some free software that you can use to get started with this, and if you watch this video till the end, I'll also share with you how you can actually make more money from this method. And look, on the screen now, you can go over to my website, type on YouTube, and we've got lots of articles on here for making money, growing your channel, and lots more. There's links to all of this down below for you. So first, let's talk about YouTube Shorts, because people get really confused about this because they think you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours view time. You don't. In fact, if we come over here to the actual, you can see this is the YouTube blog. They announced a 100 million fund which is going to be distributed, i.e. shared out, over the course of 2021 and 2022. Now, if we come down the page a little bit further, we will see here, look, the Shorts Fund is not limited to just creators in the YouTube Partner Program, so that's pretty cool. Creators will be eligible to participate if they create original content for Shorts and adhere to the community guidelines. So, with what I'm going to be sharing with you today, we can earn money from the YouTube Shorts funds, but I'm also going to share with you another way to make money pretty much from day one. So let's come out of here and let's come out of this article as well, and let's jump onto YouTube. So I've just typed it in up here, hashtag Shorts, and this is bringing up all of the trending videos at this moment in time in that category Shorts. Now we can scroll down and see these videos, predominantly they're less than a minute long, 45 seconds. I mean, look at this one here, someone sharing a Minecraft video. So I had 103,000 views in a day. It's ridiculous. Come further on the page, you'll find lots of, just nonsense over on the Shorts page, basically. But if you wanted to actually, make money, you could niche down in a certain category or topic and actually make money from this. And we see this all the time over on platforms like TikTok. So if we come over onto TikTok really quickly, and I'll show you this, because here's the cool thing. You can actually create one video, and I'm going to show you the software, which is free, by the way, and you can take that video, you can upload it to TikTok, you can upload that same video to YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels and Facebook and anywhere else, basically, because it's the same format. So, I forgot where we're going. TikTok. Let's go over here to TikTok, and I'll show you this really quickly. So let's go to tiktok.com, and I'll share with you a category or a niche you can go into. So if we just type in here, let's just type in something like, let me just mute this guy here, let me mute him. Let's type in facts. Okay, so we'll just type in facts. And we'll click on go. And then we'll scroll down and we've got these accounts with the word facts in. Now, I don't know why some of these have these in, but let's just have a look at, let's type in daily facts, something like this. Daily facts. Daily facts, look at this here, 1.1 million followers. This one here, 264,83. Now I can guarantee you something. These videos that we're going to see in a second, they will not be unique in any way, shape or form. Most of the time, they are just short videos, normally around the 15 to 30 seconds with a bit of text over them. And it won't matter if we click on the top one. In fact, let's do it. Let's click on the top one and let's just click on this one here and have a look. Okay, so we'll go into this one here. Daily.facts. Come down here, look, male facts, male, etc, etc. Okay? And while, I mean, look at this, it's 663,000 views from this psychology fact. Psychology, I've said that right, psychology fact. Relationship facts. It's just boy facts, girl facts. Let's go and look at this other one over here. What's this one here? Daily Facts 222. Similar content, what is it? It's literally a scrolling video with it on here. Look, the reason so many girls fake on. I'm picking the good videos today, aren't I? This one over here. Why you should sleep naked. Don't know what we're looking at. Okay, so we can see, I mean, look at that. 3 million views. A woman can get pregnant. And that one there is sex facts, apparently. So, people are making money with this and they can't even spell. So, daily facts. So, let's have a look at, let's go over onto YouTube. Blimey, I'm trying to think what's coming up on here. Hashtag Shorts. Let's go with plus facts. And I'm putting the plus sign there because it's going to filter any titles and videos with the word facts in, okay? Facts that could save your life, sure. I mean, look at that. 7 million views. Insane, this one here. Look, again, 40 million views. Blimey. 3.9 million views. Fact number, and literally, again, look, if you look at the videos, they're not hard, they're not difficult. So, and by the way, this is just one example. You could do this with, let's go with another example for you. Let's just go with, and I've shared this one in the past, woodworking as an example. And again, you can go in here and find people uploading, videos around woodworking. By the way, again, these are not unique. You can just get these on different stock sites. So I agree, the potential with this is pretty big. Now, how do we make money with this? And, how can we create our own videos like these ones over here, these facts ones, and, start uploading them onto TikTok and also onto YouTube Shorts and make money? So, what do we need? Well, we need a piece of software. I'll share with you a free piece of software. So we'll come over here and we're just going to type in, and again, don't worry, I'll drop a link to this below for you. We're going to type in video. Now, this piece of software, it's free, it's awesome, it works quick, and it has templates for us which we can use, and you can edit them. But because these videos are going to be less than 60 seconds, we can literally just, copy and paste some text from Google and put it in here. So let me show you this. So we're going to come over here and we are going to click on text to video, okay? Then you see this option here where it says vertical. This is the size we need for YouTube Shorts and also for TikTok and any other platforms. So we're going to click on there. Next, once this loads up, we're going to scroll down and pick a template. And as I've mentioned, these are all templates. So you can go with any one of these. And if you don't like any of these here, guess what? You can go further down and further down. And they've got hundreds of templates on here, okay? But we'll just go with this one over here. Really simple. So I'm going to click on the first one, click on use this template. Okay, that, looks, it'll do. It doesn't have to be, anything exciting. So on here, it says add your script here. Okay, add a headline, add a story. So we're going to copy and paste this from Google. Okay, so we're going to come on here and, let's go back over onto TikTok really quickly. Segs facts. Let's just go a bit further down. Relationship fact 1. Let's just go with that. So let's just go with relationship facts. Come down here to quotes. Okay, so now let's go down and have a look at this, and we're going to find some quote 115 relationship quotes to make every. That'll do. That will do. Do. Let's scroll down and let's grab some of these. What, you meet thousands of people and none of them really touch you, and then you meet one person. Oh, let's go with this one over here, okay? Like this. Let's copy this. Let's go back over here to in video, and you see where it says story. I'm going to paste that into here, okay? That'll do. Headline. What are we going to create as a headline? So let's just go, I don't know, let's just go with love facts. That'll do, okay? I'm going to click on next. And now basically what's happening here is the software is using artificial intelligence. It's going to go ahead and create a video for us based upon that very short script that we've just put in here. So in a second, it's going to load up. Now this is what it looks like, okay? So at this moment in time, all we're going to do is we click on Advanced Editor. And it will load up really quickly for you, and this is where we can change this. So at this moment in time, we've got our love facts here, so we can move this up to the top. Let's get rid of this logo here. Let's get rid of that. Okay, love facts. So we'll have as much or as little as you like. You can change the font, the colors, and anything else basically. Okay, but if we don't like this video, for whatever reason, you can change this. So let's come over here. So we're going to type in over here. Let's just type, let's type in happy couple. Okay. And we're going to click on enter. And it's going to find us some videos, around that keyword there, a happy couple video. So we're going to scroll down and find one. And yeah, that looks good. So now I'm going to bring this over here. What would you like to do? Replace or add as link? Well, I want to replace the one that's currently in the video. And I'm going to click on, you can look, you can see on here, look, you can trim the video to fit the scene, you can resize it, you can basically do whatever you like. So I'm just going to click, I'm going to come up here and click on trim video. Okay, then I'm going to click on done. And now there's that lovely slide. Now if I take this and move along to the next one over here, see our text here, our text is tiny, isn't it? It's not good. So we have a few options. We can do this and make our text, a bit bigger, like so. You could even, cut off some of this text and move it onto another slide down here. And again, as I've mentioned, you can play around with the color of this. You can change the font size. You can change the font. You could, if you wanted to duplicate this slide and put some more text on the next slide, you absolutely can do, remove the logos, etc. But here's the cool thing. Once this is done, it's in the perfect format for YouTube Shorts. It's in the perfect format for TikTok and Instagram. So once you're happy with this, you scroll along here and you can click on play to, see how it looks. So let's just take it to the beginning. And at this moment in time, we've got some music on there, but let's just click on play. Okay, so that's it. So I think you'll agree, it's not hard, it's not difficult. Once you're happy with this, you simply click on download and share, and then you download that video and then you take it over to YouTube and TikTok, and hopefully you get lots of views on this. But I did say to you that there's a method of earning more money with this from day one. Now let me show you that. So we want another website for this, so let's jump into this website over here. I'm going to come over here, I'm going to type in clickbank.com, and we're going to come to here. I'm going to click on login or create an account. Okay, now I'm just going to blur this out. So once you're inside of ClickBank, we simply come over to the marketplace. And I've just thought, if sorry, I'm skipping ahead. If you don't know what ClickBank is, this is an affiliate platform, which basically means you can find products to market, promote or share. And if somebody buys that using your link that we put in a YouTube Shorts description, you can earn money. It's genuinely as simple as that. Now, this platform is available in 98 countries, I believe. But look, if you're in one of the countries whereby you can't sign up to ClickBank, you can use this method with, Digistore24, Warrior Plus, there's lots of affiliate networks. Now, on the left-hand side, we've got categories. So we want to find a product related to our videos that we're going to be uploading to YouTube Shorts. So in this example, we're looking at relationships, wasn't it? So we want to find something relatable in here. So let's go to parenting. No. Is it this one? Self-help. Scroll down. Dating guides. This will be perfect. Let's have a look at this. And we're scrolling up. Now, what is this? Irresistible Text Women's Dating Offer. I have no idea what this is going to be. Let's click on here and it will open up the sales page for us. And we can see it's that's a good start, isn't it? Let's just click on continue. So that's a pretty poor sales page, so I'm not interested in that one. Let's go further down and have a look. So unlock the scrambler. What? No idea. The obsession method. Huge new men's dating offer. Let's have a look at this. And let's look at this one here. Make men obsess over you. This one over here. Look, this mind hack makes hot girls want to... What? This mind hack makes hot girls want you. There you go. You can buy a product that, girls will want you. And let's have a look at this other one over here. What's this one? In this video, you will learn why men pull away, the obsession formula, a soulmate's connection, and a little texting secret. So basically, all we're doing here is we're finding a product that we are going to promote, i.e. become an affiliate for. Once we find one, go over to the sales page like this. Just simply click this here, and it will take you over to the sales page. You can have a look at this. Now let me close this one here and close this one. Now if you want to promote this product or any product on here, you simply click on promote. And then what happens here is we can see you can earn 75% commission for every person you refer to that product. Pretty good. So we click on generate hop link. Now we have a long link here. So if I click on go to, it opens this up into a new tab. And now anybody, you know, who I send over to this page here and they buy this video, they buy this product, I will get an affiliate commission. Very straightforward. You can also do other things on here. So where it says affiliate page here, if I click on there, it will open up into a new tab, and you know, it will give you some more information about the product. It will tell you exactly, you know, how much it is. You can see on here, let me get rid of that, how much the product costs, if there's any upsells in this. So you can see on here, look, there's 4 upsells in this. You earn 75% commission with an average sale conversion of $46.60. So, you know, that's a pretty decent thing. And if we scroll down here, they've got lots more stuff about email swipes, PDFs, keywords, and lots more. But look, I'm not going to go into all of this, you know, all of this stuff today, because this video would get really long. So basically, we found a product that we want to promote. We click on promote. Once we've got our link, we can then take that link and put that into our YouTube description box. Really straightforward and really simple. And look, that's today's video, and I'll also drop a link below for you to my free YouTube course, which will show you how to upload the videos, how to, you know, create tags the correct way, description boxes, and lots more. But using this method here, it's simple, it's easy, and we're using softwares. We're just copy and pasting, and once we've got these videos, we can upload them to YouTube Shorts. But as I've already mentioned, you can also put them onto TikTok, Instagram Reels, and many more places. And you know, you can be earning money in a number of ways from simple short videos. So look, links to everything are down below for you. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.